1,000-mile warranty on every qualified vehicle means there's no need to shop anywhere else. It's simple. If Murray Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram doesn't have it, the manufacturer doesn't build it. And we'll trade anything, from old iPhones to trombones. Shazam! Be American. Buy American. Buy Murray Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram. Check out our new inventory during the Black Friday event and compare our prices online at shazamauto.com. And you'll see why everybody's driving to Murray Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram Superstore in Start to buy their new vehicle. And remember, at any Murray Superstore, it's all about you. Shazam!
Guys, is your sexual performance suffering? Lack of performance can happen at any age. Don't worry. The professionals at Neva Health are dedicated to helping men who are experiencing issues with their sexual performance. It might be erectile dysfunction or even Peyronie's disease. Medications are not always the answer, and surgeries can be risky. Get back to living your best life with Neva Health. Our acoustic wave treatment targets the real cause of these issues for lasting effects. It's a safe, proven solution with no side effects and no downtime. It's simple, non-invasive, and available now at Neva Health. Call today for more details. Neva Health. We can help. Call 904-780-6099. That's 904-780-6099. If your performance is suffering and you're ready to improve your sex life, call Neva Health today. 904-780-6099 or visit renewmenshealth.com. Be spontaneous again.
Now, weather and traffic from 104.5 WOKV. Jacksonville's news and talk.
From the Action News Jacksonville Weather Center, I'm meteorologist Gary Beaton. While tracking chilly temperatures on the way behind our front that passed through this morning on the latest forecast. Coming up in less than 10 minutes.
Drivers leaving Orange Park on the westbound way southbound is still a delay-free drive into Mandarin. Right now it's only 10 minutes to get from the landing over the Buckland Bridge and I-95. This report is brought by Indeed.com. If you're hiring, you need Indeed. Indeed delivers quality candidates. You can focus on interviewing people with the right skills. Receive a $75 sponsored job credit when you upgrade your job post at Indeed.com/credit. Terms and conditions apply. With Safe Touch Security for Alert Traffic, I'm Brian Riley.
Jacksonville's morning news, Rich Jones, weather and traffic every 6 minutes, and the 3 big things you need to know. Whether you're heading back to the office or staying home a little longer, no matter what your plans are, start your day with us from 5 till 9 a.m. only on 104.5 WOKV, Jacksonville's news and talk.
This is the Marquet Show. My name's Marquet, 855-765-1045. By the way, coming up this week, Thursday at Best Bet here in Jacksonville, it's our Ho Ho Hold'em Celebrity Poker Tournament, which we're very, very excited about. And we've had, this is a local event we've done now. I guess it's our 4th year. And it's so great. It's a little subdued. It's a little, there's more, what do you call it, like protocols we have to meet. For example, we can't have, in past years, we've had over 100 people in this tournament. We're limited to 50, which means if you don't have a ticket yet, you should probably get your ticket now. Go to casekids.com, or if you're watching on our stream, we've pinned the link on Facebook and on YouTube. And it's great. First of all, you get dinner. There's food. It's prepared by people who are clean, and they distribute it in a way that's COVID-friendly. There's open bar for 2 hours. I know. And then you get to play in the tournament. The grand prize is $1,000 cash. Plus, all the money we raise goes to Case Kids, our own charity, and every single dime of it goes to help a kid who is, suffering from some kind of horrible terminal illness, or has overcome a terminal illness, or has just had a really, bad hand dealt to them, and they've never really kind of experienced the joy that the rest of us have, especially at Christmas time. And we use that money to make their Christmas really fantastic, whether it's something they really need, like some kind of, special wheelchair or a bed, or something they really want, like a swing set, or, a lot of kids like the Power Wheels. Anything at all that can bring them joy at Christmas to forget the terrible, horrible things they're going through. That's what we do with the money. So if you're watching and you're from out of town and you're like, look, I'm not going to be in Jacksonville on Thursday, but I'd still like to help, you can go to casekids.com. You can click on the link. There's an opportunity there for you to give a donation. And if you'd like to give a donation, what we'll do is we'll use that money to buy tickets for other people here in Jacksonville who are able to come, and maybe they'll play on your behalf. Maybe if they win money, they'll send you some. No guarantees. But it's a lot of fun. It's a lot of fun. We definitely want all the support we can get, especially, like I said again this year, because it's harder times for people. People don't have as much money to share. There's not going to be as many people at the event, so we're not going to be able to raise as much money. But we still want it to go forward. We still want to have this amazing experience together and raise as much money as we can. And like I said,